Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Zahid Hussain Shah and you are watching Let's Learn. Today our topic is SEO tool name Moz. What kind of benefits we can take from Moz? We will discuss this and we will also perform this by practical. So let's start our video. First of all, we will go to type moz.com and then we will go to select keyword research. If we want to analyze keywords, if we want to check the keywords and check the search volume of keywords, check the keyword difficulty, check the keyword dynasty and related anything related to keywords. So let's start. Here we will put any kind of keyword which is required to analyze. So suppose that my seed keyword is digital marketing. So let's search keywords now. What will be the result after this search? So I am going to type right now digital marketing. That is my seed keyword, and digital marketing, that is my seed keyword, and I want to see more variation of this keyword after search keywords now. So let's click on search keyword now and check what result we can find. So first of all we must create an account for Moz. So let's do it. Every SEO tool get these information from us. So first of all we are going to put our required information. User name must be less than 16 characters. Okay, fine. Might be possible space is not allowed. That username is already exists, so we should change our name. That is accepted, and you see that there is green tick. Password is also accepted. Again put on my password so I may remember to log in again. Now company information, marketing and advertising, and company size 1. Level of SEO proficiency. I don't do SEO here for other reason. I am learning SEO and I have deep understanding of SEO. Okay, fine. I agreed to the Moz. Now I am not robot. This is also very important factor to resolve the captcha of any website if you want to get continue. And now create an account. Access denied, error code 1020. You do not have access to moz.com. The site owner may have set restriction that prevent you from accessing this site. Okay, fine. We will now we will try to another tool, that is semrush.com. Okay, fine. This is also its very best SEO tool. Here we can analyze our keywords and domains and keyword difficulties, keyword dynasties, keywords, alternative keywords, related keywords, question keywords, informational keywords. All type of keywords are available here. So here this is an search box. We will put our domain or URL of our website or keyword. So we are going to put again our seed keyword, that is digital marketing, and now press on search button to find the result. Now you are seeing and watching keywords overview is going to be displayed. Digital marketing, you know that if you want to do on-page SEO of your website, that is the first step to analyze the keyword and create a keyword list regarding your niche. That is very important factor. If you miss this factor, you cannot get the goal to achieve the organic traffic. So our digital marketing, our seed keyword, our primary keyword, and there are many results showed after search. The search volume of this keyword in Pakistan 33.1k, and keyword difficulty से हम KD भी कहते हैं, we can say this KD in short, okay. And keyword difficulty tell us the hardest keyword to compete for it. The competition level of that keyword is very hard because that is 90% out of 100. So it has good search volume 33.1k. Global volume is also very high, 877.9k. In India 301k, and in US 165k. Okay, fine. That is the search volume of this keyword in Pakistan. That is the search volume of this keyword in global, whole world. And that is the keyword difficulty. That is very hard to compete to get high rank by using this keyword. So this is informational keyword and commercial. Now CPC, cost per click of this keyword is $5.48, and competitive dynasty, that is 0.29. that is very good because it's must be less than 2.0%. And you can know that the level of competition between advertiser bidding on the analyzed keyword within their PPC campaigns, competitive dynasty is shown on the scale from 0 to 1%, with 1 being the most difficult to rank for. Okay, fine. That is very nice and perfect competitive dynasty which we want to rank our website. So that is very good because it's less than 2%. Okay, fine. PLA, product listing authority is 0, and ads 0. Okay. Now go to down and see keyword ideas are available. That are very important factor. Keyword variations 20.1k total volume. Okay, keywords volume and keyword difficulties. Digital marketing, we also knew that 33.1k, and keyword difficulty is 90%. Digital marketing course, we put an extra word into our seed keyword, that is the variation of our seed keyword, and that is the related keywords of our primary or seed keyword. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing agency, digital marketing right for us. Okay, fine. Question: what is digital marketing? What is SEO in digital marketing? That are the relevant keywords to our seed keyword, to our primary keywords, and we can use these keywords in our title, meta tags, meta description, image optimization, and we can also use these keywords in our short URL of our web pages. Okay, fine. Related keywords are also available. You can use them to get high rank to your website. That is the very important part and factor of on-page SEO. First of all, we should create and make the list of keywords. Okay, fine. Let's go to down. SERP, search engine result page analysis, 2.4 billions. Okay, fine. Let's go to down. You can see this mailchimp.com/marketing glossary digital marketing. They used the primary keywords digital marketing. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing. Okay, marketing, digital marketing. They used the primary keywords and they also used the alternative and related and variations of keyword to get high rank of their website in SERP, search engine result page. Hope so this video will be suitable for you and you will like this video. If you like this video, so please subscribe our YouTube channel, that is Let's Learn. Here you can learn many things and many techniques, many tips regarding digital platforms, social media platforms. So subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for new and more updated videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.